Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to fix social button not showing in TikTok. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So lately, a lot of people have been complaining and are facing issue where the social button is missing on TikTok, or the link to connect to Instagram or YouTube has gone missing. Well, at the moment, we have no idea if this is TikTok's internal issue or has TikTok deliberately removed this feature. And we also have no idea if this is going to be permanent or a temporary. So in this case, the first thing you might want to do is uninstall your application and reinstall it once again. And if the social button is still missing, then it is possible that you've got bug on your system. The possibility of a bug is always something you should keep in mind whenever an app or site does not work the way it is supposed to. So if that's the case, then you might want to contact the TikTok help support. For that, open up your profile and now tap on the three horizontal line at the upper right corner. And now tap on settings and privacy. Once you land on the settings page, scroll down and select report a problem. Now from here, select account and profile under the topics and tap on editing profile. Now from here, since our problem has not been solved yet, so select the no option. And now briefly type down your issue under tell us your feedback and then select the submit button. Now this will take about 48 hours for the team to respond to your issue. Till then, you'll just have to wait. At the meantime, what you can do is go to your profile and tap on edit profile and open up bio and just type down your Instagram handle for now. So this way you cannot lose connection with your audience. Later, the TikTok support would respond to you regarding the issue. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.